my god, all of these noises. Seriously, I cannot close the door because I don't have ring light with me. Oh my god, all these noises. Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique and today I have a special unboxing for you from Chanel Paris. I recently went to Paris with my husband. He had a workshop going on in Belgium, and then after that we went to Paris. It was only 4 days and that's not enough time at all. I mean, if you guys don't know, I live in Kenya where there's no Chanel or any of those like luxury brands. Yeah, so I just love, like, I miss going to the store, seeing the new collection. Like, I always miss it because like whenever I travel, it's probably not the same time when they release or when they're on sale. So this time I was really lucky that I was traveling right the time around the sale time, so that was amazing. If you don't know, Chanel does have sale, and I've talked about it before, how I was, like, you know, shopping and some tips. I will link the video down below. No bags are on sale, of course, but shoes, jewelry, ready to wear, and then scarves, you know, accessories. Basically, sometimes you get belt and hats and all that, but that all based on availability. The best thing is definitely jewelry, you get a lot, and shoes. The last time I was there were 4 years ago. I've been wanting to go back but never had the chance to go back to Europe, so I was really excited. And yeah, I wish I could stay longer. I really wish, but it was only 4 days and it's not enough time to explore Paris whatsoever. I didn't get to go to a lot of stores that I wanted to go to, like Cezanne and all of these more contemporary stores. I have 2 shopping bags purchased in Paris, and one of them is in the white box. So if you can see, that is from the Rue Cambon store, and one of them is the regular Chanel black bag. This was actually purchased at the airport. Okay, so there were, like, I think 6 Chanel stores in Paris, and I literally went to all of them just to check out what they have for sale, and I feel like that took a lot of my time because I couldn't decide. I left behind a lot of stuff that I regretted, but I did purchase a big item this trip, which is on another video. If you want to check it out, I will link down below. I purchased something major at Hermès, so I was really careful about what I wanted to purchase after that. So yeah, so this is from the airport. My husband picked it up from me because we went home on a different airline, so I was in a different terminal. I was in Terminal 1, which literally had nothing other than like a small Hermès boutique, and then he was in the best terminal, which is 2E. And this is something from the new collection, the Métier d'Art, the last collection by Karl Lagerfeld. So I really make sure that I get something from this last collection, something small, just to, you know, remember Karl. And this one is not a handbag. I am done with buying handbags from Chanel for now on because I pretty much have all what I need. I just want to keep my handbags as minimized as possible. So this is 2 pieces from the Cambon store, and these are both sale items. And she was so nice. She put it in this really nice big shopping bag. So maybe we'll open this one first. Usual, the camellia and the ribbon, very beautiful as always. This is the receipt, and this is the item. I have opened it when my husband got home because I wanted to check what's inside, because I didn't get to choose it in person. He sent me pictures. So yeah, but I tried to wrap it up again and didn't really do an amazing job. Camellia, beautiful. Let's pop it up. Beautiful black box, say Chanel. And then open up to this. This is the first time that I have gotten the care booklet for the jewelry. So basically just a little booklet telling you how to take care of your jewelry, blah blah blah, don't put perfume on it, blah blah blah. And yeah, so this is you open up the flap, you open up like this. It's a microfiber lining to protect your jewelry. And what did I get, guys? I got this beautiful necklace from the Matiada. At first I wanted the brooch because I didn't know that there was the necklace, and then she checked in the back and they have the necklace in the same design. This one also came in a beautiful guys pair of earrings that are like huge CC, and but they were pretty expensive. I think they were 790 including VAT, so you could still have your tax return, but still it would still be like 700 euros. But this one is so beautiful. I love this season's yellow gold color because it reminds me of the 90s Chanel, where they were still like gold plated and really high quality and looking so beautiful. This is like super shiny, super like, you know, yellow gold. And I don't know, I thought this was enamel, the black part, but apparently it is gripoa. I'm not sure if it's poured glass or enamel, and I thought it was enamel. But yeah, let me know down below if you know if this is enamel or poured glass, guys. But yeah, so it's just like, it comes with this like short chain. I'll try it on for you. And it goes all the way there only, so it will be cute and casual with like t-shirts and stuff. So yeah, this is my piece from the Matiada collection. I love it because I don't have a chain necklace from Chanel. All my necklaces that I have are the pearl ones, so this is something like casual with t-shirts and jeans, and yeah, be very 90s about it. So that's my one piece from the Matiada collection. I didn't really look at the bags from Matiada. I know everyone is crazy about them, but I'm really not in the market for another bag from Chanel at the moment. It was purchased at the airport, so it was there was no tax anymore. It was like duty free. This was 339 euros. So I'll try to put below I'll try to put on the screen how much is that in USD. Maybe around 370 or something like that, but that's definitely a good deal for a beautiful Chanel necklace. That is also the main thing about Europe, guys, is that it's so hard to leave things behind because the price difference between the items in New York, in America in general, or in Asia compared to Europe, because it all comes from France. All these brands, they all come from France, then they're really there's a difference in price, and it's really worth it to actually get a few things and have things on your list, and you get them on this one trip when you go to Paris, if it allows, of course, because you know, I wish I can buy everything. There was this beautiful skirt that I left behind. All right, so beautiful bag from the Rue Cambon store. And this time I actually get to take a picture on the staircase. It was a Saturday, but my essay, Li Jing, was really sweet, and she opened the door to the staircase because it's usually closed on Saturdays, and let me take a bunch of pictures there. It's just so sweet. Okay, so two items inside. Beautiful, oh my god, like white packaging from Rue Cambon really takes the cake. That's one item. And then I also purchased a few makeup items from there, but I think I'll put it in a separate haul only for makeup and skincare. But it's nice that, you know, she put it in a different bag. That's so cute. And then the last item is this one. It's so beautiful. The white on white, I just can't. I mean, look at this. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, so here's the receipt, guys. I don't know, let's open this one first. I'm excited because I haven't opened this since I bought it in the store, because I didn't want to ruin the packaging. It's just so beautiful. This one says Chanel, and then on the bottom it says 31 Rue Cambon. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, it opens up like this. Very easy. Same thing with the felt. Okay. Guys, look at that. I purchased the earrings from the Greek collection, not from the Matiada, because it's also Greek inspired, but it's from last summer because it's a sale item. But these earrings are so pretty. The colors, oh god, it's like kind of like a minty green with the like a taupe on the top with the CC. If you can see that, yeah. There you go. There you go. And I love dangling earrings from Chanel, and also love things that are more seasonal, not just like the CC. I mean, this isn't, well, this is kind of seasonal because of the black with the black enamel, but I'm not really into like the one that they make every season, you know, the one that just like CC in different print and pattern with the pearl kind of thing. I mean, I feel like I'm gonna buy one of those in the future, but I'm not in any rush to buy because they make them every season. So here are the earrings, and this is another one. I'm gonna wear it for the video, guys, so you can see. I actually have to rush because it's already almost 15 minutes. I didn't even realize rambling so much. Sorry if you don't like long videos, but I have to open this one before we hit the 20-minute mark. Okay, I love it. What do you think, guys? It's good for summer with like an all white kind of outfit. Okay, so that's the first item, and then now we're gonna go to the last item from the Rue Cambon store. I'm sure you can guess what it is from the shape of the box. It is indeed a scarf, and this, again, it says Chanel 31 Rue Cambon. Let's open it up. It opens up like that. Oh my god, beautiful, beautiful sticker. The way they do packaging, I don't want to ruin it, so I'm just gonna like slip it out from the side. I did purchase a scarf which is also from the Greek collection, which is last summer. It's this one. It's not actually blue, it's mostly white, but the way they fold it, it looks like it's mostly blue. But this is the cashmere and silk scarf. Whenever I get the chance to get one of these scarves on sale, I try to, just because this is such a beautiful fabric, and it's so light, but it makes you warm so much in the, it is blue. Oh, I got it. It's so nice but light in the winter, and I didn't want to go with the silk. There was a huge silk one with the same print in 140 times 140. It's like huge for like 250 euro, you know, and then you get a tax refund. But the thing is, for silk I want to go with Hermès, and for getting something like a cashmere and silk combo, it's not something that is easy to get all the time, especially with the color that you want. So I went with the cashmere and silk because to get the cashmere and silk in Hermès is just insane price wise. Okay, so it looks like this. So huge CC. It's from the Greek collection. I don't know if I can find a picture to include, but I will try to find. But it's just like a very beautiful, like summery color, a hint of blue. And I'm really loving all this like pastel, really light color with a lot of white for scarves and clothing. But yeah, it's so nice, and it's actually really big, but because it's so light, it really packs nicely when you travel, guys. Oh, I'm not showing it, I'm not giving it any justice. It's Chanel, made in Italy. It's 80% cashmere and 20% silk. And let me tell you prices before I end the video. Okay, so the scarf was $426, and then the earrings are €312, and then of course you get the VAT return for like around 10% or something like that. So yeah, such a good deal. So these are my purchases from the Chanel Paris. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for keeping up with the whole rambling in this video. I hope you enjoyed, and check out my other hauls from Paris. I decided to separate them based on the brand, because I don't want to do a very long, like an even longer video than now. So yeah, don't forget to check them out. I will link them down below, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it if you do. Like and comment, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.